Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. So guys, I have selected a location, and as you can see right on the Google Maps, it shows there are tolls. Here's how to avoid them. In the upper right side of corner, tap on the three dots. Now go to options and then select avoid tolls and tap on done. So guys, now you can see the entire route without having to pay for tolls. And that's how you can avoid tolls on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.